Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to another evening edition, a Zebec evening edition of the Grow Rich, Grow Happy Crypto Show. Guys, as I promised you in the last video, I hope you checked it out, guys. I want to know from you millionaires, you ZBCN millionaires. I told you I was going to bring you an evening video on Zebec once the super app was released. Well, guess what? The super app is released. And I have a tutorial for you. Disclaimer, the tutorial is not going to work all the way like I wanted it to because I'm so early, and I'm pretty sure this is it. This is just me. I'm pretty sure that the rollout, there's a ton of people that are bum rushing their Zebec app site or whatever. I know it's a lot of people trying to get on, and I think some of the hiccups that I'm going through is related. So make sure you smash that like button, give me a sub, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of these videos, especially when we cover Zebec. I'm going to let you know what's going on at all times. Look down below, get you a Tangem / ZBCN card, guys. There's only 31 left as of last video. You guys might have snatched all those up. And use my 10% discount down below. It does go to support the channel. I appreciate all of the free thinkers out there, all of you who are always snatching up those cards. Yeah, I know it's all about Zebec and the cards, but safeguard your crypto, guys. You don't want to trust it on exchanges. Also, catch the Zebec Nation podcast. They had a new episode today, and I checked that out. I'm going to check out the rest later, but guess what? Make sure you subscribe to it. I'll put the link down below so you guys can subscribe to the podcast. It's over on YouTube, and I am going to be on there on March 4th. That is March 4th, 1 week from today on Wednesday, guys. So going to be hanging out with all of those guys, and we're going to be talking about Zebec, guys. Hopefully, just even talking about it, my skin started turning green with money. All right, so enough with my theatrics. Now, let's jump over here and let's talk about this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Get this information out. Create millionaires in your generation and your families, and even your friends too. Hook them up. Okay, it says the Zebec SuperApp is live. Payroll for individuals is now available on the desktop, built on Zebec Rails. Remember, guys, that the mobile edition is coming next month. All right, it's powered by Circle's USDC and utilizing ZBCN for fees. The mobile consumer version and enterprise grade app will be released in the coming weeks. So what we're about to check out is this trailer video, guys. So let's check it out together. Hunch your shoulders too. Hunch them. Can you guys see that I am excited? So shout out to everybody out there supporting the Zebec network and the ZBCN token. Get your bags up. Now they say get your weight up. We're going to talk about getting your bags up. So first thing I want to do, though, now let's get down to the nitty gritty. We're going to jump over here. I had some hiccups today. Hopefully it is fixed. But if you notice here, right here, guys, this is, I'm on the Zebec Network's homepage. It's zebec.io, and this is how you're going to get to the super app. If you look here, come down to products, and you come down there to super app, early access. This is what's going on now. Earn, spend, stake, and more. I believe this is why we're having issues, because it's just getting started. So no worries here. But if you look over here, this is one of my trust wallets. I have a lot of wallets, so many that when I connect it, because you're going to have to connect, and I'm going to show you that you're going to have to connect a wallet, maybe a MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Solana wallet, any of those wallets, they're going to give you an option of wallets that you need to connect to get in. Now, if you come here, where we at? Right here, if you notice, it's asking me to connect the wallet. It's going to do the same with you guys. So I realized by accident that I had over $300 and something in USDC over on MetaMask. So I converted that to ZBCN, and I did that for this tutorial just to show you guys how it worked. And if you see here, $324 roughly got me 144,609 Zebec. Money well spent. It's early, right? So I have this, so I know the money is there, right? And I'm on the Trust wallet. And if you look up here, I already added them to my browser. If you see, I have right up here, I have Coinbase, of course, my wallet. I have MetaMask, and right here I have a Trust wallet. So it's in there. It's all set. Now, let me jump over here with you guys because I got to enter some information right here. So, and there we go. So I'm in. Now, here's the bug that I ran into. Guys, if you've run into any problems so far, let me know down below. Let me see if I can deposit. Of course, see, I can't deposit. This is the issue that I ran into. My wallet is connected. If you notice here, got the Solana wallet right here. Got it right here. I know I have ZBCN in it. So I got it right here, 144,000. Technically, if everything was right, you know, again, this is the first few hours of it being up, I will hit deposit. I will put it in my vault balance. It's a reason you have to do that. Bear with me. I'm going to show you. So I will put it in this balance right here. Then, of course, you can go over here to this one. Of course, you can create a carbon card, create a new silver card, everything right there on your desktop, or when it comes out on your mobile device, you'll be able to see everything all in one spot. This is what's good about it. Okay, so you got that right there. Then you go over to staking. This is why it's important, because it has your Zebec, and if you notice here, deposit ZBCN in your vault to stake. So you cannot skip this process back over here. You have to deposit it from your connected wallet. For me, it's Trust. It's just not letting me do it now. Then once it's in there, you can come over here. You notice they got over 11 billion Zebec that is staked. This is going to run up, especially now. It's so easy for people to do it all in one place, either on their desktop or their cell phone. Now, if you got here average stake, this is the average of what people will stake. I believe they say you can be able to stake up to 5 million Zebec. And then you have right here the average stake is just over 668,000, right? So then once you stake it, which I can't, I will be able to hit max, or I will be able to hit half my staked amount. And then you can come down here and bam, you can do 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Of course, if you do 3 months or 6 months, your APY is going to be larger. You know how we are, the free thinkers. We all about them big bags, So you ain't gonna get no big bags unless you stake it for a long time. Now, being that a lot of you guys got some big bags, I'm pretty sure you're not gonna stake your whole bag. If you're gonna do like me, I'm going to stake a small amount just to see what kind of returns that I get. Man, you see how old this wallet is. I had Luna, I had some Doge in there, and some Litecoin. I get sidetracked so easy, guys. I think I'm ADHD. So next, I'm gonna move over to streaming. Now, if you noticed in that trailer they had, you got the streaming. This is where you're going to be streaming your assets. You create a new stream. You're gonna be making that extra money and being paid. They're setting up the background. Everything is being laid right now, the foundation. I want you to think of this like Netflix. When Netflix came out, and I know I'm sidetracking, but this makes sense. When Netflix came out, guys, who knew that they was going to bury Blockbuster? I tell you who knew. I knew, but Blockbuster didn't know. Netflix was mailing the movies to you at the fraction of a cost. You didn't have to get up, get off your couch, drive to Blockbuster to pay your money. They realized Netflix, that is. They looked ahead. They seen where times were going. They seen that everything was going to be streaming and people is going to be less social. They didn't want to go out the house if they didn't have to. This is the same thing was happening with this. It starts off slow with just a rumble, just a little bit of making a little bit of noise, and then years, looking 3, 4, 5 years from now, people are going to be like, damn, I wish I could have got in on something like Zebec. Well, this is now where you got your chance. This is, no financial advice. But anyway, right here, back to this. You got your streaming and you got your total vault balance. And you got this right here. You can view all your streams. Of course, I don't have any. Things are just getting started. So right here, guys, there you have it. And once I can actually get in and actually stake some Zebec, I'm going to do that live for you guys, because I know a lot of you be asking, how do you stake? But you have to remember, to get there, you have to go over to Zebec.io, go over here to products, drop down, bam, it'll take you to the super app. Being I'm logged in, I'm all good to go, but you're going to have to get you a wallet. I know some of you might not have a wallet, but you can go get you a Coinbase wallet, because you can do it with Base. You can also do it with MetaMask. You can also do it with a Trust wallet. The two wallets I tried it with was MetaMask and Trust. So I don't believe anyway that it's operator error on my part. I believe that they're still working out some of the kinks, but I promised you a video this evening on Zebec, and I delivered just like they delivered and said they was going to bring out the super app today, guys. So I also want to know from you guys, if you watched that last video, I wanted to know, how much is it going to take Zebec's price to get to before you guys on the other end of this camera, before you make your first million in Zebec? How much does it have to hit? You don't even have to give me your bag number. I don't really want you to do that. I look out for you guys, but let me know, what is it going to have to hit, and we can do the rest. Guys, to the next one. This your boy, gonna keep updating you. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'm out.